Hello, this is the review of gross homes that makes gross sounds. The Ugglys Pet Shop, Series 1, including exclusive cracker Parrot. And now let's open this. I'll open and show you the parrot and parrot's cage. I have opened it. And now we can play. We've got a collector's guide here. And another paper. This is collector's guide. And I have got this one, Parrot, number 94. And now we have got a sticker, exclusive Parrot. I'll put it there. A sticker can be there also. And now let's open this cage, parrot's cage. This is just a paper. This paper was in the cage. Let's have a look at Parrot. He's very funny. It's a funny rabbit. No, not rabbit, but parrot. But this parrot looks like rabbit. But this is a bird. Very nice. And now our parrot is in its cage. Let's have a look at the cage. And now we can try to make a sound. The sounds are very funny, very loud. And now subscribe to my channel, leave a like. You can also leave a comment, I'll be happy. And also share this video with your friends.
Bye bye. Bye bye.